it's again a picture. I will edit by using the features here. It's a threshold to make it different and unique here. So change the layer style, add a pattern stamp. I will change the color of the pattern stamp and brush as well. So there is a different brush. I will use the selection tool, select that part of the image, and here I will create a paint here. I will generate another design. Thank you for watching.